So we're changing the air charge temp sensor today. And its location is right here. It's pretty easy to get to. Pretty quick, easy fix. So to remove the connector, you're just gonna push down right here on this little gray tab. Pull your connector back. And to remove the sensor itself, you're gonna go ahead and just twist it counterclockwise and pull it straight out. There's our sensor. So some of the symptoms of a bad air charge temp sensor would be your vehicle having a hard time starting when it's cold out, a loss of power during acceleration, and a loss of fuel mileage. The sensor's main purpose is to read the air temperature that's coming into your charge pipe, and then it sends signals to the computer letting it know whether it needs more fuel or less fuel, more air or less air, depending on the conditions and whatever temperature the air is. So go ahead, grab your new sensor. We'll put that in there. It only fits in one way. Make sure it's pushed in, and turn it clockwise. Just pull on the sensor a little bit, make sure it's locked in there. Grab your connector. Make sure it clips in place. And that completes this job. If this helped you out, give the video a like, please. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing for some future content.